everybody. As you know, Kira is learning Kyrgyz. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us ask Kira, how is she learning Kyrgyz?
Yeah. So I'm learning Kyrgyz by working with a tutor. I have online flashcards that I look at every day, and I have a Kyrgyz textbook
Yeah.
that I use. But that's not the only way that I learn Kyrgyz.
Yeah.
I also have gotten some great advice from Tazagul. Tazagul, can you tell me some of the tips you gave me for learning Kyrgyz?
Yeah, of course. So it is better to associate words with some items. This is the first tip. It is better to go to some movie to practice with Kyrgyz people and also local people like me, or to practice with our friends. And of course, students.
Tazagul.
Thank you.